I'm Gail Simidian, Research Analyst at NYSSBA, with this week's mailbag question. What can schools do to promote greater student performance while managing costs? As part of the award-winning Be the Change for Kids campaign, an upcoming NYSSBA report addresses innovative ways to increase student performance while managing costs. The current performance management approach to school accountability demands a shift in mindset regarding school leadership and organizational change. Both product, teacher quality and student performance, and process, leadership and organizational change need to coincide for long-term successful results. Consider pay-for-performance programs. Instead of just looking at performance, scholars point out that looking at ways to improve performance should be examined when designing such programs. And using differentiated learning strategies while attending to diversity is a way to foster educational resiliency and increase both school engagement and student performance. A more ecological approach to school leadership and change is needed, one which acknowledges that to increase performance and manage costs, it may be necessary to reframe status quo perspectives regarding roles, responsibilities, and priorities. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the report. Remember to send your mailbag questions to mailbag@nyssba.org.